welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am super excited to show you street chicken tacos. So let's get started. To start off with, I'll be making the pico de gallo. So what it is just vegetables for our tacos. I have tomatoes, and with these tomatoes you want to make sure that they are ripe, and you can cut them into cubes like these or even smaller if you like. And then about a third cup of cilantro, half a cup of white diced onions. And now this is completely optional, but I did add in one jalapeno and just diced up a quarter of a lime and just squeeze that right in. I am using chicken thighs for these, and you want to use either chicken thighs, not chicken breast, just so that the chicken's a little bit more moist. And I am adding in about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Yes, I keep my apple cider vinegar in a decanter. And about half a tablespoon of lime juice, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and some salt, and some pepper. And now let's cook the chicken. I'm using my cast iron for this just to make it a little easier. While the chicken is cooking, it smells super delicious from here. We are starting our sauce. So I have half a cup of cilantro in my food processor, about a quarter cup of white onions, 1 jalapeno, some lime juice. So I'm not sponsored by Ninja, which I'd like to be. Just kidding. But this thing kicks butt. So let's do this. And as you can see here, it just needs a little bit of moisture or liquid. So I'm using oil. And now I'm just heating up some mini tortillas. I don't have my own recipe for this, but they are store-bought, which is just as good, I think. Maybe. Now it's time to assemble. So I have my tortillas, chicken on top here, and you want to add in your salad. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then just put that in. The dip. And the sauce, I guess. And that's it. So this is it. This is my video on street chicken tacos. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you've tried this before. Because you know what? I'm going in for a bite.